Everyone loves plantains, and in this recipe, I'll be showing you how to make crunchy plantain chips with overripe plantains. Yes, these are the overripe plantains. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and please subscribe to my channel, follow my page. What I'm doing here is simply peeling the plantains to reveal the yellow plantain flesh that I'll be using for this recipe. You can see these plantains are overripe. So let's start slicing. I know you're wondering, how am I going to slice these plantains? With knife without using anything fancy. Here is the cooking hack. To slice plantains to be as thin as possible, you need to use the curved tip of your knife. You see, when you use the curved tip of your knife, it makes it really easy for you to manipulate the knives and get the desired thickness you need or thinness in this regard. So now I'm done slicing my plantains. These are what they look like, and it's time to fry. I'll be using a lot of vegetable oil for this, and I'll allow this oil to get very hot before I put a batch of my sliced plantain into the oil. You can see that this oil is very hot, and what I'm just doing here is I'm lightly spreading the plantains so that they don't stick together too much. I'm going to be frying this plantains till it achieves a gold color, a deliciously gold color, which is going to make it very crunchy. So, all my plantain lovers, I know you're like, ooh, I can't wait to get this in my mouth. It's very easy to make, okay? And it's very nice. You don't need too much to make delicious plantain chips. Now, the plantains are golden brown on one end, and I just turned it to the other end. At this point, I'll be scooping out my plantains from the hot oil because they are now properly fried. I'm going to put them in a basket first to drain out the excess oil before I transfer the hot plantains on a surface where they can cool down completely. This is very necessary and important if you want to get that crunchy effect from your overripe plantain. You need to allow the plantains cool down completely. Then you would find your plantains will become really crunchy. I'm simply going to continue this process till I'm done frying all the sliced plantains that I have. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, of course, share this video and subscribe to this channel because I post amazing Nigerian food recipes. If you love Nigerian cooking, you love Nigerian cooking recipes, then you should be following this channel because I have got so many recipes for you. You can also check my blog, theonlinecook.com, to find so many free amazing recipes just for you. Now I'm going to also transfer this batch on a cool dry place to enable it cool down completely. These are my plantains and I'm going to be breaking them to let you see what it looks like. You see? It's breaking easily, the crunchy effect. Now let me show you how I preserve and store my plantains. I simply get a bottle and I fill the bottle with the plantains. By the way, this bottle has been properly cleaned, sterilized and dry. I'll simply be storing this bottle in a dry place. But as an ardent plantain lover, you know this plantain won't last too long before it will finish. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your time. Always remember, good food should be enjoyed always. Till I post my next video. Bye.